Hey, welcome back to Titanium Man Garage, and if you've been following my videos, you see I've been rebuilding a Polaris Sportsman 700 2005. Has 3,200 miles on it, supposedly. I'm thinking the speedo's got changed out. She needs a bath. Got it all together, runs good. I'll have to change the throttle cable and probably tweak a couple other things because there's a couple things that I see that I don't like. But yeah, unfortunately, this will be the last Polaris Sportsman I build in this shop. Sad to say, but it's time to move on. The economy's killing me, so I'm going to downsize. It's sad to see this place go. I work in my own shop again. I keep her moving, right? So, all right, guys. Just thought I'd show you this bad boy. Fire it up for you. Sounds like a 700. All right, guys, I have, I believe, parts 1 through 4. This is the follow-up. I guess I'll catch you on the flip side.